Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to increase volume on your Android phone. First, locate the physical volume up button on the side of your device. Pressing this button will incrementally raise the sound level. A volume slider will typically appear on your screen, allowing you to visually confirm the adjustment. Also, quickly check that your phone is not set to silent or vibrate only, as this will prevent any audio from playing. This simple step is often overlooked, but crucial for sound output. Next, let's dive into your phone's sound settings for more granular control. Open your phone's settings application, then navigate to the sound and vibration section. Here, you will find separate sliders for media volume, ringtone volume, and alarm volume. Focus on the media volume slider and drag it all the way to the right to achieve the loudest possible output for videos, music, and games. This ensures all your entertainment is at its peak. Sometimes, other settings can interfere with your volume. Make sure Do Not Disturb mode is turned off, as it can silence notifications and media. Also, verify that your phone isn't accidentally connected to a Bluetooth speaker or headphones, which would redirect audio. If the sound still seems low, gently clean your phone's speaker grills. Dust and debris can accumulate, obstructing the sound output and making your audio seem muffled or quiet. For even more control, some Android phones offer advanced sound settings like an equalizer or sound enhancer. These can be found within the sound and vibration menu and allow you to fine-tune audio frequencies for a richer, louder experience. If all else fails, a reputable third-party volume booster app from the Play Store might help, but use these with caution to avoid speaker damage. Also, make sure to check the description below for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.